Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll fix the error message, no bootable devices. Strike F1 to retry boot, F2 for setup utility, press F5 to run onboard diagnostics. Let's get started. First, restart your laptop and press F2 to enter the BIOS setup. In BIOS, check if your hard drive or SSD is detected. If it isn't showing, the system cannot find Windows to boot. Next, go to the Boot tab and make sure your internal hard drive is set as the first boot device. Save changes and restart your laptop. If the problem continues, power off your laptop, remove the back cover, and carefully reseat the hard drive to ensure it's properly connected. A loose connection often triggers this error. If the error still appears, press F5 at startup to run onboard diagnostics. This will test your hard drive and system. If the drive fails the test, it may be faulty and need replacement. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.